gets a penalty shot here. Awesome, buddy. Way to go, Colby. Where is he? Way to go, buddy. That was Cody, eh? Anyway, they're playing Wabamun here. We're just starting the third period. Colby was trying to score and the dial caught into him. So he got a penalty shot and he got a goal. And then a few seconds after, Cody just scored. And this Wabamun team, they're big boys and kind of rough. Anyway, we are now at 5-2. Awesome.
Let him get it back.
Yeah. And we're just starting the third period. So awesome work, Colby. Proud of you. Over there somewhere. Yep. It's over there somewhere. Oh, I see him. He's right there. Great job, buddy.